Hey there! In today's video, we're diving into a super exciting way to make money online, selling PLR products. If you've never heard of PLR before, or you're curious about how it works, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what PLR products are, why they're awesome, and how you can turn them into a profitable business. To do this, we are going to share with you 7 different ways. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. Okay, first things first. What are digital products? Simply put, digital products are things you can sell online that don't physically exist. Think ebooks, courses, templates, software, or even music files. The cool part? Once you create, or get your hands on, a digital product, you can sell it over and over without worrying about running out of stock. No shipping, no inventory, just pure scalability. Before continuing, if you want to get more than 100 PLR courses, follow the link in the description. Digital products have become super popular because they're easy to sell and cost almost nothing to reproduce. But here's the kicker. Not everyone has the time, skills, or creativity to create these products from scratch. That's where PLR products come in to save the day. So, what exactly are PLR products? PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and it's basically pre-made content that you can buy, customize, and sell as your own. Think of it like buying a blank canvas that you can paint on and make your own masterpiece. PLR products can be anything from ebooks and videos to blog posts, graphics, or even entire courses. The best part? They're designed to save you time and effort. Here's a quick example. Let's say you want to sell an ebook about fitness, but you don't want to spend weeks writing it. You can grab a PLR ebook, tweak it to add your personal touch, and then sell it under your brand. Easy, right? Let me break it down. They're budget-friendly. PLR products are super affordable, especially when you compare them to hiring someone to create custom content for you. They save you time. The content is already created. All you have to do is customize it, and you're good to go. They're flexible. You can edit, rebrand, and repurpose PLR products however you want. Unlimited sales potential. Since these are digital, you can sell them over and over without any extra costs. Now that we've covered the basics, let's jump into the fun part. How you can make money with PLR products. 1. Sell PLR ebooks. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to make money. Selling ebooks. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Customize it. Don't just sell the PLR ebook as is. Add your personality to it. Update the content, include your insights, and make it unique. Step 2. Design a killer. Cover. First impressions matter. Use a tool like Canva to create an eye-catching cover that screams, "Buy me!" Step 3. Pick a niche. Niche ebooks sell better because they solve specific problems. For example, instead of a generic fitness guide, create a fitness guide for busy moms. Step 4. Sell it everywhere. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or even your own website are great places to list your ebook. 2. Turn PLR content into online courses. Online courses are hot right now, and guess what? PLR content can make creating one a breeze. Add your expertise, take the PLR material, and sprinkle in your own knowledge to make it more valuable. Record video lessons. Don't worry, you don't need fancy equipment. Even a simple slideshow with your voiceover works great. Host it online. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to upload and sell your course. Bundle for more value. Add a bonus, like an ebook or checklist, to sweeten the deal for your buyers. 3. Build a membership site. Here's an idea that'll keep the money rolling in. A membership site. With a membership site, people pay you a monthly fee to access exclusive content. You can use PLR products to keep your site fresh and full of value. Curate content. Offer your members a library of ebooks, articles, or videos, and keep adding new stuff regularly. Foster a community. Create a space where your members can connect and share ideas. Use easy platforms. Sites like Kajabi or MemberPress make setting up a membership site super simple. Chapter 4. Start a blog. Blogging is another fantastic way to use PLR products. A lot of PLR packages include articles that you can use as blog posts. Make it your own. Rewrite the articles to give them your voice and optimize them for SEO. Grow your email list. Offer a PLR ebook as a freebie to get people to subscribe. Monetize your blog. Once you have traffic, you can earn money through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. 5. Repurpose PLR for social media. If you are active on social media, PLR products can save you tons of time. Many PLR packages include ready-to-use graphics and quotes. Create engaging posts. Share tips, quotes, or graphics from your PLR content on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Drive traffic. Use your posts to direct people to your website or sales pages. Schedule and relax. Tools like Buffer make it easy to plan and automate your social media content. 6. Offer done-for-you services. If you're good at customizing PLR content, why not offer your services to others? There's a huge demand for done-for-you products, like rebranded ebooks, social media graphics, custom email sequences. This way, you're not just selling the product, you're selling your skills too. 7. Resell the rights. Some PLR licenses allow you to sell the resale rights to other people. This means they can buy the product from you and sell it themselves. It's like being a middleman, but with digital products. Quick tips for success. Always read the license. Know what's allowed and what's not. Make it unique. Adding your personal touch makes all the difference. Focus on quality. Only work with high-quality PLR products from trusted sources. Know your audience. Tailor your products to meet the needs of your target market. Invest in marketing. Use email campaigns, social media, and even ads to get the word out. Wrapping it up. And there you have it. PLR products are an amazing way to start or grow your online business without all the stress of creating something from scratch. Whether you're selling ebooks, launching courses, or building a membership site, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some PLR products, get creative, and start building your digital empire today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let's make 2025 the year you crush it online.